Imagine this exact scenario. You rush out of your house in a massive hurry. You are already halfway to work, navigating heavy traffic, and suddenly your stomach completely drops. You ask yourself that terrifying question we all dread: did I actually lock the front door? You try to remember the exact moment you closed it, but your mind blanks out. Now, you face a horrible choice. Do you turn the car around, waste precious time, and drive all the way back home just to check? Or do you spend the rest of your workday stressed out, wondering if an intruder is walking through your house? It is incredibly frustrating, and honestly, it ruins your entire morning. Or maybe you have experienced this nightmare instead. You are juggling 3 heavy grocery bags in the freezing, pouring rain. You are fumbling around in your deep pockets, desperately searching for your keys while getting absolutely soaked to the bone. You drop your bags, the eggs crack, and you are shivering on your own porch. We have all been there, and it completely sucks. Traditional keys are outdated, stressful, insecure, and easily lost. But home security does not have to be a daily headache anymore. Welcome back to the channel, where we test the latest tech in real-world scenarios to see what is actually worth your hard-earned money. Today, we are looking at a device that promises to banish your front door anxiety forever. This is the ultimate, deep dive review of the GHome KD10SE2 Wi-Fi smart lock. We did not just look at the spec sheet. We actually installed this lock on a real front door and used it as our primary security for weeks. We wanted to see what happens after the initial excitement of a new gadget wears off, and whether it truly makes daily life easier or just adds unnecessary tech confusion. When you first open the box, you can tell right away that the company put real thought into the presentation. Cheap smart home gadgets can sometimes feel completely overwhelming. They usually arrive with dozens of loose, unlabeled screws and confusing metal parts scattered everywhere in cheap plastic bags. But this unboxing experience is refreshingly organized. Every single part is clearly labeled, the instructions are highly visual, and all the necessary hardware is neatly tucked into its own dedicated place. It immediately gives you the confidence that you won't have to suffer through a frustrating trial and error setup process. But the real surprise happens the moment you actually lift the hardware out of the foam. This lock has a serious, satisfying weight to it. It is constructed from a high-grade zinc alloy and aluminum alloy, making the entire chassis feel incredibly solid. A lot of budget smart locks on the market right now feel hollow, cheap, and overly plastic. That is the absolute last thing you want protecting your family and your home. The KD10SE2 feels like a robust, heavy-duty piece of real security hardware built to withstand years of heavy, aggressive daily use. Design-wise, GHome hit the perfect sweet spot here. The keypad layout looks modern, clean, and sleek without trying too hard to look like a prop from a sci-fi movie. It features a beautiful matte black finish, which is actually a massive practical feature because it does an amazing job of hiding ugly, greasy fingerprints. This matters immensely when multiple family members are punching in access codes every single day. Furthermore, it avoids that overly futuristic look that screams expensive tech gadget inside to potential thieves. On a standard house door, it blends in naturally, elegantly, and subtly. To top it all off, it comes with a certified IP54 weather rating. This means it is highly resistant to dust intrusion and water splashes. It gives you complete peace of mind if your front door faces harsh outdoor elements, heavy winter rain, or intense summer humidity. Now, let's talk about getting this lock onto your door, because this is where many people panic. The installation process is surprisingly straightforward. It follows a logical, step-by-step flow that anyone can handle with a simple screwdriver. You start by slipping the latch mechanism into the edge of your door. Next, you place the sleek front lock assembly on the outside of the door, running the thin data cable safely through to the inside. After that, you secure the heavy interior mounting plate using the provided screws, and then you attach the rear lock assembly. Once everything is perfectly aligned, you simply tighten the screws to lock the entire structure firmly in place. It takes very little time, and you do not need to hire an expensive locksmith. But the real star of the hardware show is the revolutionary battery system. Most traditional smart locks on the market force you to rely on standard, disposable AA batteries. Those batteries drain fast, leak acid, and cost a fortune to constantly replace over the years. GHome completely changes the game by including a massive, removable, rechargeable 10,000 mAh battery pack. This single feature transforms the user experience more than you would ever expect. When the battery finally runs low, you do not have to leave your front door wide open while it charges. You definitely do not need to run an awkward, ugly extension cable hanging across your entryway. You simply pop the interior cover off, slide the battery pack out, take it to a standard wall outlet to charge separately, and slide it back in when it is done. It is clean, efficient, and incredibly smart. Once the physical installation is complete, the whole experience transitions beautifully over to the official GHome companion smartphone app. The lock features built-in Wi-Fi hardware. This means it connects directly and seamlessly to your existing home network. It completely eliminates the need for a separate, confusing bridge device or a dedicated smart home hub plugged into your router. For the vast majority of people, this standalone design makes the initial tech setup feel way less intimidating and saves you a ton of extra cash. The true superpower of this smart lock is its incredible daily flexibility. Instead of forcing you to use just one unlocking method, it provides 5 different options to suit any possible situation. You get ultra-fast fingerprint unlocking, classic passcode entry, full smartphone app control, hands-free voice control via Amazon Alexa, and even a traditional physical backup key. After living with it day to day, you quickly realize how liberating this flexibility actually is. The biometric fingerprint scanner quickly becomes your absolute favorite way to enter your house. The sensor is positioned right where your thumb naturally rests. You simply place your thumb on the glass, and the door clicks open in about 1 single second. It feels entirely natural, instantaneous, and smooth. The physical keypad is equally impressive. The numbers stay highly responsive and light up brightly, even in pitch-black conditions at night. Deep inside the smartphone app, you unlock a whole new level of security convenience. You can easily generate temporary passcodes for house guests, delivery drivers, or short-term visitors like Airbnb guests. This single feature is an absolute lifesaver. It means you no longer have to share your master security code with the world, and you can revoke those temporary codes whenever you want. And for the skeptics who worry about technology failing, GHome has built a fail-safe system. If your smartphone dies, your home Wi-Fi goes down completely during a storm, or a freak electronic glitch occurs, you can still open your door the old-fashioned way. The bottom of the lock hides a slot for a mechanical backup key. This totally eliminates the terrifying fear of being locked out of your own home due to a system crash or a dead battery. Thanks to that built-in Wi-Fi, you enjoy full remote access from absolutely anywhere in the world. From the app interface on your phone, you can instantly lock or unlock your door from miles away, check the real-time security status, monitor the exact battery percentage, and manage user permissions on the fly. It also features a highly detailed unlock history log. This log is incredibly useful for parents or landlords. It doesn't just tell you that the front door opened, it tells you exactly who opened it and which unlocking method they used. If your kids get home from school, you will see a notification saying they used their specific fingerprint at exactly 3:15 p.m. During our rigorous testing, remote commands synced up and executed within a swift 1 to 2 seconds, which feels incredibly snappy and responsive for daily life. The smartphone app itself is clean and straightforward. While it might take you a few minutes to explore all the deep settings during your first setup, the overall layout is simple enough for absolute smart home beginners to navigate without confusion. Let's circle back to the battery life, because it deserves extra praise. Thanks to that giant 10,000 mAh rechargeable pack, GHome claims the lock can last up to a staggering 10 months on a single charge. Compared to entry-level smart locks that drain disposable batteries in a couple of months, this is a massive engineering upgrade. To ensure you are never caught off guard, the system features an intelligent dual low battery alert. When the power drops below a certain threshold, you will see clear visual warnings directly on the physical keypad itself. At the same time, the app bombards your smartphone with push notifications, giving you weeks of advance notice to recharge before the lock goes completely dead. Beyond pure convenience, this lock is packed to the brim with serious, heavy-duty security features. It includes specialized anti-peep structural protection to prevent criminals from physically forcing the lock off the door. It also features a temporary lockout mode that freezes the system for